Happy Sunday. It is December 21st and it's just starting to get dark. It is what time? It is 3:45. So I've had a full day. I got lots of wrapping done. I delivered some presents that got wrapped. I ran food over to Alex, my son. He's not feeling well today. He's getting a sore throat and not feeling good at all. So he's home, but I brought him one of those chicken pot pies. We had them for dinner last night. They were delicious. So if I get to the market next Saturday, totally picking up more. But anyway, I had an extra, so I ran that over to him and some orange juice, and just so hopefully he doesn't get too sick. He just literally is on holiday right now. So, and then there's the day. So I wanted to get on and film before it gets too dark. It gets dark at it's complete blackness at 5 o'clock. So yeah, it's easier to show you guys the advents and colors and whatnot. So so today will just be a short little vlog. What else? Oh, we had a great time at the party last night. It was a neighbor up the street, and I get to meet more people in the neighborhood or whatever. So, because we've only been in this neighborhood for a year. And so I get to meet lots of new people, and yeah, we had a ball. This girl throws a party, like the food and everything. It was amazing. So we had a really good time. But yeah, it's going to be a short one today because I spent my whole day just organizing and running around. So nothing really fun to share. But I wanted to open my advents with you guys. So day 21 is cold cheeks. And I forgot to take it out of the package, so I'll try not to make too much noise. Excuse me. And here is cold. Okay, I'm totally going to tell you, Dan helped me wind minis for these advents because there's so many, and God love them. I'd say this is one that he wound. So if you guys get a messy wound mini skein, we'll just blame Dan, okay? So there is cold cheeks. It's like magenta with a little bit of an orangey hue in there. So I'm going to get supper started. I'm going to make a lasagna. I'll share the recipe with you guys. It's a spinach mushroom lasagna. And I have shared it here before, but I feel like it was a couple of years ago. And yeah, I just use oven-ready noodles, spinach, mushrooms, and yeah, it's delicious. So we're going to have Caesar salad and garlic bread and lasagna because I wanted something that I could make today and kind of feed us for the next couple of days. So, ooh, what do we have here? Oh, nice. I think they're like little highlighters. There's 3 of them. Let's see. Yes, they're highlighters. So there's the pink one. Cap's on pretty tight. Ooh. It's lavender. And then this another pale pinky one. Lovely. Okay, well, I'm going to go get supper started, and I'll take you along and share the recipe and what you need and how I kind of throw it together. Super easy. And that's it. And then I'll call it a day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, Monday, I have to work. I have a hair appointment in the morning. Thank goodness. I am so gray. And then I've got to go into work for a few hours. And then that's my Monday. So, yeah, hope everybody's having a nice relaxing Sunday and you've had a good weekend. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm getting ready to make my lasagna. The ingredients, I'm going to use 2 jars of this spaghetti sauce. I've got some frozen chopped spinach that's defrosted. I'm going to chop up some white onion, probably use a clove of garlic, chop up some mushrooms. I've got this tub of ricotta cheese. I'm going to shred up some of this cheddar, and I have some oven-ready lasagna noodles. So I'm going to cook up the mushrooms, onion, and garlic, and I'm just going to layer everything. It's super easy and so yummy. So I'll just show you how I put it together.